How do you make your spouse happy? I promise you, my brothers, my sister, your connection with Allah as a couple will determine how happy you are. We can say whatever we have. We can solve the matters. We can stop interfering. If you are not connected to the Allah, you will not have a consciousness of Allah. When you don't have a consciousness of Allah and your relationship with Allah is not there, you develop a relationship with someone outside of your marriage. Why? Allah is not in the equation. You fought to marry someone for 5 years. When you marry them, the evening that you are married, you are busy texting another person. For what? Why? Because your connection with Allah, there was a problem with it. You didn't develop that connection with Allah. Can you not appreciate the fact that your spouse, especially our wives, that have sacrificed their families, they have sacrificed their surrounding, they have sacrificed their friends, they have sacrificed so much. They have come to you. Can you not smile at her? I love you. And if we don't acknowledge that now, how is the home going to be happy? How is your spouse going to be happy?